So this problem, you do have to know that domain means these are the x values we're going to put in. That means that those are the x values I'm going to put in. So I don't want all the x's in the world, I only want these x's. So this one is definitely wrong because it has everything in between here. It has like 0.5, halfway. This one definitely wrong. So it's going to be one of these with the dots. Then I want to make sure that I've got just these. -8, -4, 0, 4, 8. These are right there. How about on this one? -8. Oh, look, that's not giving me a point at -8, so this is definitely out. So now we just have these two choices. Pick an easy one to plug in over here. Wow, 0 is a really easy one to plug in for x. So let's plug x in for 0 in there. If I plug in 0 for x, 2 times 0 is 0. This is 0 plus 4y equals 4. 4y equals 4. Well, if I divide by 4 on both sides, 4 divided by 4 is just 1. And I get y equals 1. So that means that at 0, this is what I plugged in, y equals 1 goes with that. Well, is that right here or is that right here? Which one has the y at 1? Well, this one has y at 1. So it has to be this answer right here. This one has it at -1. That's not right. I can also just take, and if you don't like to do the solving part, we could do the other option, which is grab my calculator and plug this point in and see if this point works. This point right here, well, let's do this one right here. This point right here is 4, 3. 4, 3. So we're going to plug x in for 4 and y in for 3, and let's see if we get it to work. So -2 times x is 4 plus 4 times 3, because y is 3. Hit enter. Did we get this number right here? Then that's the right one. Right there is a good point. That's on my graph. This one doesn't have that point, so it can't be that one.